Jorge escribiendo noruego.
Retrasado mental. Olaf. You know, retrasado mental.
Retarded?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But really big one, you know?
I know.
Yeah.
But okay, it's a big letter.
A big letter?
Punctum? It's a new sentence.
No, here.
No, you're here. You're supposed to.
Really?
Yeah.
This is the one that I'm supposed to write down? Yeah? Okay.
Yeah, but
Let's do it.
no, but it's
I was writing it already? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
So far so good, but it's a new sentence.
Okay.
So you start there.
I'm tripping right now.
Okay.
From here to there, you know. Can't feel really nice. Ooh. And what about this intern? Do you want me to write down here or better here?
Start a new sentence. New space.
Med en
Utdannelse.
Utdannelse. Vad betyder det?
Education.
Oh. Nej.
Utdannelse. With a D. Yeah.
Innanför.
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 Within.
Innanför kommunikation.
Det ska på YouTube.
Sen,
Komma.
komma.
Mm.
Komma.
Komma.
Vi ser det komma alltså.
You see komma?
Ja, på spanska. Ja. Komma.
Har jag ambitioner?
Espero que ningún retrasado. Me cago en Dios.
Sabes que esto va a YouTube, ¿no?
Ja, YouTube. Borde. Kan du lära dig norsk med Helene? Första kapitel. Hilse. Hur är född? Vad heter du? Okej, where we are.
Har jag ambitioner?
För länge sedan. Har jag ambitioner?
What do you think ambitioner means?
Ambiciones. It's very similar.
Ambitions. Yeah, it's very similar.
Ambitioner. Ja, det är similar words. And you can match with English, you know? That's similar to English. That's... Oh, good. What? Hey, Helena, you missed here. What the heck? Hey, check it out, man. You know, she's missing the letter and she wrote down
This is my
instead
kind of. It's Swedish, actually.
Yeah?
Yeah.
The what?
Oh, with 2 dots above.
Mm.
Mm.
Do you write Swedish at the same time?
When it comes to I does.
High school also, university?
Mm.
And they didn't...
Correct me.
Yeah, or well, I mean, can you do that? No.
Not really.
If you try to write fucking French in Spain high school, you fuck. You know? But
Yeah, but
you're not going to pass, you know that school year.
It's just one letter, so it's not a big deal.
No. Fuck! The food, you know? Damn! This is overcooked. You know?
Ya la había bajado la temperatura.
Sí, bajado, pero como no la apagues, macho. Ya ves.